How does it look?
Nice, nice. It's like I don't need a mirror at home. If I come down at morning, I take my bath and I just come here and look at myself and comb my hairs and I can wear my dress up. That's what is looking at. I can see his face right now.
Hi guys, so we're starting off this video with Vikram in the beginning only. Normally you would have seen Vikram at the end, but Vikram also has his YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel name?
Green Roads, ROARS.
So is that why this is green? So this is one of the first Jimnys that we're also doing a full PPF on, and we're doing a little something custom on this with a little black wrap. So you tell me, how excited are you to get all the work done and to see your car at the end?
So yes, when I bought this car, I was not sure that if I do PPF or not. But there was some damage done in my car, and due to that, I changed my mind. And also, I had very great contacts with him. I spoke to him from the starting date, and I got amazing understanding of why PPF is required, and everyone should do this PPF on their car. No matter it's a small car, big car, you should go for it. And it was an amazing experience just from the start, like knowing why, what are the advantages, disadvantages, and as well as what will be the costing. So over to you again.
Yeah, so I think one other thing that we have in common is we both have off-roaders, and hopefully when the vlogging channel does start, we'd end up going off-roading together in the Thar and the Jimny.
Yes.
So we could do that as well. But yeah, we're going to show you step by step what we're going to be doing on this car from start to end. And yeah, we'll hear what Vikram has to say at the end. So are you excited to see your car 3-4 days later now?
Obviously, right now I'm looking at it. Yes, there are some issues on the paint, and hopefully that is gone, and I will be like blindfolded coming here and looking at it.
We'll make sure we cover the car in that red cloth.
Exactly.
And yeah, it'll look a lot glossier than it is right now.
Correct. That's what I'm looking for, and I'm damn excited. I cannot wait counting the days when I'll be staring him afterwards.
Done. So now we'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you guys. So guys, one of the next stages that we're going to move into right now is the paint correction stage. सब कुछ निकालने के बाद ही we're going to be doing the paint correction on the car ताकि we can reach every nook and corner, because जब cladding है या सारे plastics है we can not reach it. So it's very important, एक बार आप निकाल दो तब आप paint correction करो, ताकि सारे surfaces पे जो भी scratches है पेंट करेक्शन का तभी मतलब है जब सब कुछ निकल जाता है और सब एक्सेस आपको मिल जाता है एक मशीन के साथ. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू बी डूइंग राइट नाउ बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द एंटायर पीपीएफ प्रोसेस, एंड वी आर डूइंग दिस इन एन एनक्लोज स्पेस ताकि जब पीपीएफ इंस्टॉलेशन हो रहा है देयर इज़ नो डस्ट दैट कम्स अंडर द शीट. सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जब पीपीएफ लगा रहे हो शुड बी डन इन एन एनक्लोज स्पेस. खुले में नहीं करना चाहिए, वरना जो फिनिश है क्वालिटी है वो नहीं आएगी। तो बहुत बारीकी से हर एक स्टेप पे यू हैव टू डू द राइट थिंग इन ऑर्डर टू इंश्योर द फाइनल फिनिश ऑफ द कार। सो गाइस, वन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस दैट वी आर डूइंग इज टू रिमूव ऑल द प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग इस गाड़ी का जो भी है, मिरर्स भी निकाल लिए। अब ये वाला पार्ट जो है हम ये भी निकालेंगे ताकि पीपीएफ इस पर आराम से हो जाए। तो जैसा आप देख रहे हैं ये वाला पार्ट जो अभी खुल रहा है, यू कैन कम इन अ लिटिल क्लोजर एंड हैव अ लुक। तो ये पैनल निकालना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वरना इसको निकाले बिना पीपीएफ करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है। ओवर दीज नोजल्स टू मेक अ फाइन कट, इसलिए इसको निकाल के फिर हम पीपीएफ करते हैं। है कि नहीं इस्लाम भाई? कितना मुश्किल है गाड़ी खोलना?
बहुत मुश्किल है गाड़ी का खोलना है।
कब से खोल रहे हो?
अरे हो गया 3 बजे 4 बजे 3 बजे खुलना है।
3 या 4?
3 बजे।
3 बजे। देखो इतना भूल गए कि टाइम ही भूल गए। इतना मुश्किल है इस गाड़ी को खोलना। और कितने पार्ट्स है इस गाड़ी में। नॉर्मल गाड़ी जैसे किया है, उसका टेल लाइट, उसका एंटीना, सिर्फ हैंडल्स ही निकलते हैं। बट ये वाली गाड़ी का देख सकते हो कितने ज़्यादा पार्ट्स निकल रहे हैं इसके पीछे की तरफ इफ़ यू कम। बट ये वाली गाड़ी बेटर लग रही है। ये क्लैडिंग निकालने के बाद कुछ टायर ऐसे लग रहा है थोड़ा बाहर आया हुआ है, सो इट लुक्स अलॉट बेटर। वरना ये थोड़ी सी छोटी लगती है ये गाड़ी बिकॉज ऑफ द रूफ हाइट कंपैरिजन टू द थार। तो राइट नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज टू रिमूव दीज लोगोज जो है, वी आर डूइंग मास्किंग एंड वी आर डूइंग व्हाट वी कॉल एज लेबलिंग, ताकि इसका पोजीशन जो है निकालने के बाद वी पुट इट बैक इनटू द सेम पोजीशन। सो वी मार्क इट ऑन द मास्किंग टेप, रिमूव इट एंड देन पुट इट बैक। आप देख सकते हो उसका पीछे का वाइपर भी निकाल दिया है हमने। तो जितने भी पार्ट्स हमें लग रहे हैं, पीछे का टायर भी निकल चुका है बाद में, तो जितने पार्ट्स हमें लग रहे हैं निकालने के लिए हम वो सब निकाल रहे हैं ताकि पीपीएफ अच्छे से इस पर लग जाए। उसके बाद ये सारी चीज़ें हम लगा सकते हैं, बेटर देन कि वो लगा रहे और उसके आजू बाजू कटिंग करेंगे तो ये जो फिनेस आती है काम में वो कभी नहीं आएगा। इसलिए ये पार्ट्स को हम निकालते हैं। Hi guys, so we're finally done with the Jimny and you've seen from start to end what all we've done on this car, and this is the first Jimny we worked on, and thanks to Vikram for that. And this is a beautiful color neon Jimny which I really love working on because the color is very different. But yeah, I'm going to ask Vikram to do the talking now and tell y'all how he liked seeing the car. He's seen just a glimpse of the car or the videos that we shot for the final. So yeah, why don't you tell everyone about Crankit and how you found out and how you think the car would look.
So yes, hello, my name is Vikram. Yeah, and about Crankit, I came to know because actually due to Red On Riders, it's a riding group, and he used to ride with us. Amazing, he has an amazing bike, as well as I have seen a lot of videos of Crankit. I was looking for PPF in my area, and I stay in Undri. So in this area, this is the nearest one, which is I trust. Trust is the main important thing. So I trust him, and that's the reason I bought my baby here and I gave him. With just a small glimpse I got, I'm just excited. I cannot just unwrap this car and go away for a ride, so for a drive, and I'm just waiting to open it up. So yes, let's hand over again to Ankit.
Let's uncover the car now, shall we?
Yeah.
Wow. How does it look?
Nice, nice. It's like I don't need a mirror at home. If I come down at morning, I take my bath and I just come here and look at myself and comb my hairs, and I can wear my dress up. That's what is looking at. I can see his face right now.
क्या चमक के आ रहा है गाड़ी?
Yep.
शोरूम से बेटर लग रही है कि नहीं?
10 times better. Okay. This mainly this part. I was not aware that I will be doing this. Okay, I was thinking of putting a rubber something from third party something thing, but this guy Ankit, he did his hard work because this is the toughest part ever, and he did this is his first project on Jimny, and I'm saluting him because it is amazing work, and looking at it I feel like hugging him, but I'm just afraid that I might scratch. But yeah, PPF is there. So
how would you recommend people who are looking out for PPF coating in Pune to come here?
So I would obviously I will go for Crankit because firstly they have a huge workshop. Not only PPF, they have painting, and they have detailing. They have all this customization on all the like what you call much more informative way. They will also give you ideas on what to do after PPF is done. How to take care. Usually other shops or other workshops won't give you that nothing, that it is done, take your car and go away, that's it. You don't see your nothing. That's how they make business, because when that issue happens, they will again come up and but this guy here, Crankit, looks after the customer like their family. So that's the best part. I would recommend everyone, and I will put Google reviews also on this to come here, get it done, because he will take your car like it's its own car.
Thank you so much, Vikram. I look forward to seeing the Jimny here with different modifications. अब तो गाड़ी आती रहेगी, and every time we'll try and shoot and show you अगला क्या modify किया है विक्रम ने. So this car is something that you'll keep seeing, and I'm glad you like the car. We love working on this project. So yeah, signing off in this video. So don't forget to subscribe to his channel as well. I'm going to leave it in the description. He's also shot behind the scenes kind of video of his experience of the car. So watch his channel, subscribe to it, and हमारा नहीं किया तो शर्म कर लो यार.